Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about a new palette. Well, a newer palette. So this palette came out and it was one of those where I was like, not too sure if I'm going to pick it up or not. And this is the palette that I'm talking about. So if this palette is something that you guys would like to talk about, then you're in the right place. Just keep watching. We're about to get into it.
Watch out for me, I'm about to glow. You better watch out for me, I'm about to glow. Your boy all glowed up.
Alright guys, so truthfully when I first saw the White Peach palette, I honestly thought I have the Just Peachy Mattes palette, which was this one. I love my matte shadows. I think that a whole palette full of mattes was amazing. I did a review on this palette so that you guys can see exactly what I think about this palette. I'll link the card up here somewhere. But of course, Too Faced being Too Faced, they have to come out with 75 different versions of the same thing. So you have the gold chocolate bar palette and the chocolate bar palette and the white chocolate palette and the white chocolate chip palette and the, and it just goes on and on and on. So I was a little upset and I thought they're going to ruin the Just Peachy Mattes palette by turning it into 75 different palettes. I also, just by looking at the shot that they had online of this palette, it looked like it was all just light colors and some of them were very similar to me. And I just really was not excited about it. So I didn't want to purchase it. Well, I went and I visited my sister the other day, and she had on the most stunning eyeshadow, and I was like, and keep in mind, guys, being a makeup artist runs in my family. You guys have already met my daughter, who is a makeup artist in her own right. My sister, for those of you that are new and don't know, I own a makeup studio in the greater Philadelphia area, and my sister owns that studio with me. My sister has actually been a makeup artist for the last decade. So when I see something on her that really catches my eye and I ask her about it and she's very excited about it, that usually tells me something. And I was stunned to learn that the eyeshadow she had on that she was rambling on and on about and was so excited about was the White Peach palette from Too Faced. And I was just like, are you kidding? So of course, I had to go check it out. And honestly, guys, I was surprised. So I actually used it to get this look that I have on my eyes today. And that's where we're going to start. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you through how I got that look right now. And this is the final look, guys. So this is the White Peach palette, and I am going to go ahead and just break it down for you guys a little bit, because at first I really wasn't that interested in this palette, but honestly, guys, I'm going to go through some of these shades with you, and it's a great palette, and I'll tell you why. So let me get you a good, nice, up close and personal shot of this palette. So as you guys can see, it is lighter colors, but these lighter colors are incredibly pigmented. They're very smooth and they look amazing on the eye. Now, this has got mattes, shimmers, and glitter shadows as well. And this is supposed to add dimension and light to the rest of the Too Faced collection. So this is supposed to be complementary to the Just Peachy Mattes palette. Now, you have kind of an assortment of like sparkling peach, some champagnes, some soft pinks, some deep plum shades, and it really is something that smells wonderful, and these really feel fantastic. But again, it's incredibly complementary to the Just Peachy Mattes palette. And if you look at the two of them together like this, you can obviously see why. Now, because this is all mattes, they are quite flat, right? So if you want to add a little bit of dimension to this, then you want to put some glitters, which these two are here, and then some shimmers as well. And you have this color right here, guys, is absolutely stunning. This color is absolutely stunning, and I'll show you guys this one as well. But it is a great complementary palette. So it does stand fantastic on its own. Again, the look that I have on my eyes today was created with just this palette. But again, this is a great complement to the Just Peachy Mattes palettes because of the shimmers and the glitters that are in this palette. Together, these two really make quite a stunning palette together. They really do. I want to show you guys my favorite shade, which is the Peach Passion shade, and that's this one right here. Now, this shade is the shade that I have all over the lid in this look, and I love this color. And I'm just gonna do a swatch for you guys. Beautiful, beautiful color. It is quite stunning on the eye. It really is a beautiful color. Now, that other color that I really, really like is the glistening peach color, and that's this one right here. And it just looks amazing on the eye, especially with those peach tones in the Just Peachy Mattes palette. And then, of course, you have Peach Ice, which is amazing and would look great right in the center of the eye to do like a spotlight look or a halo look. That would really be stunning. And that is the Peach Ice right there, and it is just a stunning, stunning color. Now, the rest of the colors in here are rather toned down. So they're very light, very delicate colors, but they make great transition shades. I feel like this color, these two colors here, this color here, and even these two colors, I found that I reached for these to make really good transition shades. I really like this for that reason. And Peach Cream is a fantastic matte color just to have a light highlight right here underneath the brow bone. It's just fantastic. And that really is the way that I look at this particular palette, guys, is that these are like the shimmer accents and the transition colors for these colors down here. It together for me, this is like almost my perfect palette. It has all of the tones in it that I absolutely love, and I don't regret this purchase. I'm so glad that I purchased this product. So at the end of the day, guys, this is an absolute Erica approved palette. So I hope you guys enjoy it if you happen to get it. I absolutely love it. I think it does stand fantastic on its own if you want to do a bold look like this, or there's a lot of really soft colors in here if you want to do just kind of an everyday soft undertone kind of look. But if you have this palette, I think it's almost necessary. All right, guys, as always, thank you so much for coming by. Let me know what you guys think about this palette. Do you think that they should have just left it alone and not continued to build onto the Peaches and Cream collection? What do you guys think? Sound off in the comments down below. If this is your first time here, then welcome. We are so glad that you're here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out and the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a video. Also, we have a giveaway going on. For those of you that don't know, we have a giveaway happening. The winner's going to be announced on Valentine's Day. The winner's going to receive a Viseart Pro palette, which is stunning and gorgeous and valued at $175, a little over $200 once you add in taxes and shipping and all that fantastic stuff. It is amazing. All you have to do in order to be entered into that contest is go back to that video, which is the video I uploaded right before this one. Actually, I think it might be 2 videos ago. Anyway, I'll put the card up here. So click on this video, and in the comment section of this video, make sure that you put a comment down there. Let me know that you subscribed and some kind of way that I can get in touch with you in case you are the winner. So yeah, I'm really excited about the contest. Good luck to everybody that enters, and we'll make our announcement on Valentine's Day. All right, guys, as always, stay happy and healthy. Thanks so much for coming by, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah.